There is still a lot of work needs to be done in the northern area of Tesla's Giga Berlin, and we're going to show you now. Welcome back, Torque News dear friends. Today I'm going to show you 3 different new videos from Giga Berlin taken in the past 2 days. But before I get started, please subscribe to this channel, ring the notification bell and like this video to show your appreciation of our friend Jurgen, who sent us these video recordings from Tesla Giga Factory in Grünheide in Germany. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com, and you're watching videos sent to us by our friend Jurgen, who tweets at GF for Tesla on Twitter and helps us to chronicle Tesla Berlin Gigafactory daily. In this video, Jurgen shows us the northern part of Gigafactory Berlin and says, while the construction is stopped, there is still a lot of work needs to be done in the northern part of Giga Berlin. I made a flyover the northern part of GF4. There's still a lot to be done there. The topsoil still has to be removed and the big root mountain still has to be shredded. Afterwards, the area still has to be leveled, wrote Jurgen on his Twitter page, the reference of which I will post in the description of this video news report. Then in the next video, you will see Giga Berlin on the Easter Sunday. Jurgen took an Eastern walk to the Giga Berlin factory and talked to the security service about the new drone overflight rule, which I talked about in previous Giga Berlin report. The security told him that the same thing as Elon Musk, I quote, "fine with me." In other words, it's fine to fly drones over the Gigafactory, not from a distance. On Sunday, April 12th, Jurgen couldn't fly this drone because the Gigafactory 4, it was too windy. And what he saw on Sunday was this. There is still work to be shredded roots. There is still actually work to do, shredded roots. Some areas are still to be leveled, and in the northern area, the topsoil needs to be removed, which you will see in the video. And then you are going to see a shorter video of how carefully experts remove anthills from Giga Berlin to take them to safer areas. Well, friends, keep watching. And please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and let's continue the discussion in the comments below. Stay well, and I will see you in my next video. Now enjoy these videos.